What's up, Lady Bosses? I'm Nancy Jacobson and I live in Louisville, Kentucky, and I wanted to share my experience with you about the LadyBoss results coaching. It is the best thing I have ever done, wouldn't change a thing. I signed up at LadyBoss Live, ran up on stage for the picture and turned in my paperwork, not really knowing if that was something that I was going to definitely go through with. But I had my first call with Coach Stephanie and never looked back. I feel like the LadyBoss results coaching is like a puzzle, and it gives you all of the pieces that you need to make yourself hugely successful. It provides you with the coaching and planning and strategy and cheerleading and the buddy system, everything that you need, the support system to make you successful in your weight loss and healthy lifestyle journey. Coach Stephanie got to know her LadyBoss group and then paired us together with who she thought we would gel the best with. And in my group is Carla and Leslie and Lisa, and they are absolutely the most amazing group of ladies. I don't know how I did this before without their support, and I'm so glad and thankful that I don't have to. I see Lisa's, she works out super early in the morning. I love seeing her smiling face. Is one of the first things that I see in the morning. It gets me pumped and gets me going. We chat every day, probably multiple times a day, and check in. Hey, what are you doing? Drink some water. What's your workout? Shoot me some pictures. Let's see what you're up to today. It's just a great support system. I've also met another LadyBoss friend who signed up for coaching, Amanda, and I chat with her as well, and I wouldn't have gotten to know her as well if it wasn't for the coaching program. What Coach Stephanie does is she reaches out and takes a look at what your food is, what your workout plan is, makes recommendations to make that better so that you'll be more successful. She also checks in with you to find out what you have going on that week, what your potential pitfalls are, and helps you come up with a plan to deal with those. Whether it's a party or a vacation or something like that, she helps you come up with a plan so that you're not self-sabotaging at these events that come up in life. Just couldn't do without her. She'll say, hey guys, it's Tuesday, show me what you're having for dinner, or show me a workout pic, and just helps keep you accountable. We have power hours with her where we can instantly get answers to our questions that we have. We have those at least once a week, and those are super helpful. And then we have calls with Kaelin, and the last one, how to stay hot for the holidays. Come on, the best tips ever. Just information that makes it where you're going to be successful in this. I've never seen anything like it. I'm just so blessed and thankful to have not only found the LadyBoss program, but this coaching system. It works. So happy with it. Thank you so much. Awesome job, Lady Bosses. Thanks, coaches.